Hello, everyone. Welcome back to sqadia.com, best medical learning platform all over the world. Let's talk about antibacterial drugs. This group of antibiotics acts by inhibiting bacterial protein synthesis. They are selectively toxic because bacterial ribosomes consist of a 50S and a 30S subunit, while mammalian ribosomes have a 60S and a 40S subunit. Proteins are built from amino acids on ribosomes, which move along strands of messenger ribonucleic acid, mRNA, so that successive codons pass through an acceptor aminoacyl, a site for specific transfer, RNA molecules that bear the next amino acid required to elongate the peptide chain. The tetracyclines and aminoglycosides bind to the 30S subunit and inhibit binding of the aminoacyl tRNA. In addition, the aminoglycosides cause misreading of mRNA so that non-functional proteins are synthesized. The next step in peptide synthesis is transpeptidation, where the growing peptide chain, attached to the P-peptidyl site, is transferred to the amino acid attached to the aminoacyl tRNA at the A site. Chloramphenicol inhibits peptidyl transferase activity of the 50S ribosomal subunit. Following transpeptidation, the peptide chain is translocated from site A to P so that the A site is ready to accept the next aminoacyl tRNA. The macrolides and streptogramins bind to the 50S subunit and inhibit translocation. The streptogramins, quinupristin and dalfopristin, are bactericidal drugs active against many gram-positive bacteria. They are reserved for serious infections resistant to other drugs, for example, methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, MRSA. The aminoglycosides, such as gentamicin, must be given by injection. They are valuable drugs in the treatment of severe infections, but are likely to produce nephrotoxic and ototoxic effects. The tetracyclines are orally active, wide-spectrum antibiotics, but increasing bacterial resistance has reduced their usefulness. Macrolides, for example erythromycin, have a similar antibacterial spectrum to benzylpenicillin. Gram-positive bacteria are more sensitive than gram-negative bacteria to erythromycin because they accumulate about 100 times more drug. Chloramphenicol is effective against a wide range of organisms, but serious side effects, for example aplastic anemia, restrict its use. Linezolid is a newer drug with a novel mechanism of action. It is currently active against MRSA and vancomycin-resistant enterococci. Adverse effects include bone marrow suppression and peripheral neuropathy.